Hi everyone, welcome to Hanway's channels and YouTube and TikToks. So today I'm going to teach you what is CPF Contribution Calculator. Not everyone know about what is CPF Calculator, as you all always use automated the government will chase after or whatever. So don't be so shocked or what. So this is applicable for employer and employee about CPF contributions. So there's a calculator from CPF website. So first of all, you use Google as an easy functions. You find CPF contribution calculator. First of all, you must know how to see is it a right official. So best of all, you must know that this is an official government website called www.cpf.gov.sg. It's a main says that this comes from CPF and it's a Singapore government. So to make it simple, first of all we click the CPF link. Okay. So this is an official CPF contribution calculator. This tool is mainly for employer and employees to calculate their CPF contributions. So this is mainly for private sectors and government sectors, except for platform workers. Who are the platform workers? Those who are doing Grab, Tata, or any X platform to do business. They are not employee nor an employer, basically a supplier or self-employed lah. So self-employed, you are not allowed to use this. Okay, so the important note, we read this thing actually very easy. So first of all, this is calculator is updated, including rates for 1st January 2025, and then this help you to see the calculators. Those who are age of 55 years old and above, your special accounts have been closed. Everything goes to your retirement accounts. So make it simple. Age of 55, you only got original accounts, retirement accounts, and Medisave accounts. So they don't. If you are an employer using CPF EasyPay, this is something a new tools. Then you don't need to use this calculator, as the CPF EasyPay will auto compute your employee CPF contribution for it. So it's very straightforward. You lazy use CPF tools they'll help you to do everything So if your employees per annum have a high income like 102,000 you don't use this, you use another tool called additional wage ceiling calculator instead of using here. So everything is still okay, everything is all fine. Let's use. Then employee is important. Your employee status is your citizenship. Yes. What type of citizenship? Is it Singapore citizen or 3rd year or permanent resident and above? Then you can get this one. Then first year you keep first year permanent resident, and second year. Okay, your employee birth month. So example, we use 2nd February 1992 as their employee is this month. So February contribution I'll say that I will use maybe 2nd February 2025 as easy. So what is original wage and additional wage? Original wage is something like your basic salary, where you agree with your basic salary out of these additional wages. So basic salary is under originally wage, and then additional wage is like something like performance bonus, AWS, firm allowance, handphone allowance, overseas allowance is considered additional wage, except for your medical claim and any claims so it's not under additional wage. So basically you we use basic say your salary is 3,000 per month, and you got OT of $200. Okay, example. Okay, so you keep calculator. So they calculate. So this is it. So this is 1,184. Basically, your combined with your employee and your employer CPF. So this is how it works, that your CPF account will have received into your account is $1,184 per month in your CPF. Okay, that's important. So the next important is in your salary, your employee shares means that in your pay slip, they need to deduct your basic salary and your OT, wherever your total salary, gross salary, have to deduct additional of 640 to your CPF account. So you have to pay your employee have to pay $640 $640 this employee. The employee means you as a worker have to pay in your pay slip. You see 640 deduct from your monthly salary $640 That is the law. Okay, not only that, your boss of the organization means not your monthly salary. Remember, 544 is not deducted from your basic salary, not for your monthly salary. Is your boss, your organization need to pay additional more to your CPF account. Do take note, it shouldn't be come out for your deductions from your salary. It must be deduction on your boss pocket your employer pocket is important important then you don't see make sure these two you must see 640 deducted from your payslip not for your not 1000 plus 1000 plus for CPF contribution better as your employer or HR something wrong I should deduct 640 not 1000 plus not 544 must check properly your payslip So this is how it works So if you want to know, allocate right, how's your CPF contribute they contribute 1000 plus right this is how CPF will help you to contribute your 3 account, your MediSave account firstly, second your special account, the last only original account, that's the most important. They will always put MediSave account, saving account, and the last original account. So this is how they works. So yeah, okay, now you see your employer must pay additional 544 not you employee you don't need to pay 544 you pay additional more please report to CPF or HR immediately that means this one salah already this one wrong so example we use this as 3200 right 3200 your take home take home this is just example your take home 3200 minus 640 you should be taking home 2660 take home take home must be 2660 your take home must be 260 $2060 take home must be $2660 per month that is your take home salary after deduction of $640 take notes make sure you calculate correctly if anything not sure can we every time refer to CPF will actually tell you how to know the correct form. You can send email or what okay so I think that's all for today. I will send you the link also for the CPF website for the CPF calculator. I see you another time. Okay, bye bye.